I make sure to say you use the air freshener and wash your hand when you're done with the bathroom. You hear?
Who that?
Ricardo.
Ricardo? What name, sir?
Mr. Kareem, sir, nephew, we have school next week, so yeah, you can sit down the BS outside here, guys.
Oh. Alright. I want to ask you to talk to you.
If them never tell me so I have respect to my elders, but at this time I'm there a long time, you know.
Yes, Ricardo.
Tonian, you tell Patsy if they are supervise me. The woman they are terrorize me like I tell me what to do.
Wait, Patsy did it?
Yes.
No, Ricardo, I'm not tell her to supervise you.
She just they are boss me around. Like I don't know.
Alright, listen. Anything she said, just do it. Alright? Nobody provoke her. Remember, when you have school, when you go back to school, she have to run the shop. So just listen what she said. Please, your people like, listen what she said. Don't provoke her.
Alright, but you're 9, you know?
Just listen what she said. Look here in my Ricardo.
Alright.
Chris? I don't talk to my mother yet. I don't talk to my father yet. I don't talk to nobody. I just need a good time for digest it. Alright? I still try to process.
Alright, babes, take your time. I'm not rushing, you know. Just a check. But one day, you have to face it.
Yes. I know one day, but not today. Today, I want to show my bottom. I want to go on a yacht. I want to go on a cruise. I want to go on a weekend something, but I don't want to think about it.
Alright. What time I leave here?
Alright, no, if you're ready. Oh, yes. Never mind. I'm not going everybody to wait for the call.
Oh, so no time never said for that?
Just some call me. Evaluate. I wish nice big money there.
What's up, Chris?
You know what?
You finished metering for the day?
I'm a boss. Yes, boss, yes.
And who is this young lady? The shop owner?
Yes, sir. She works here, but she's not the owner. This is Patsy, sir.
Oh. This is the Patsy I've been hearing so much about. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, sir, Mr. Big Water Commissioner, sir.
Chris, you have your hands full.
Some sort of way, sir.
So, what has her meter been reading?
My phone. Nice to meet you, Mr. Big Water Commissioner, sir.
Same here.
All the time, Chris can't call me after the big man. Yeah, girl.
Oh, boy. See why you take up back to the gym?
I come more. Hey, man. Alright. Girl, me call you over here. Chop. Mr. Ricardo! Mr. Ricardo!
Yes, Spotsy.
Yeah, we have to cut short right now. I'll come send to the shop because I have to leave right now.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Alright, babe, I have to leave now. Alright, bye, Mr. Nice for the commissioner time. No, mami, take a taxi. I must want to ban here. Bye, sir.
Alright, you want me to pick you up?
Yeah, you can pick me up later.
Alright.